It's so sad what they can do to you and I. When we use and abuse them, they can literally mess up our lives. They take you up, then they bring you down. They make you smile, then they make you frown. They make you happy, then they make you sad. This guy was good, but they made him bad. They take you high, then they bring you low. The rewards, the gains are short and fast, but the pain and the consequences are long and slow. When we have more, we feel the pain less. They take away stress for a while and they make you more depressed. May God help us out of this mess. Thank you for listening. Good night and God bless.